Hi guys, so good work yesterday on the budgeting. So I just wanted to talk you through the situation where, from my point of view and looking at it from the very start and breaking everything down, right? So the first thing we were told is that the Birmingham household has a monthly income of €4,000 net, all right? So that means that they take in 4,000, that is their wages, that's what they take home. When it's net, that means that it's after tax. All right. So that means for wages, they have €4,000 in March, €4,000 in April, and €4,000 in May. Now, it says some of their bills are weekly, some monthly, some bi-monthly. They are anxious to spread their costs out evenly over the budget period. For example, a bill is 210 every 2 months. It works out at 105 per month. Simply divide by 2, right? So complete the following table with the details as listed. Now, in March, a member of the family has a dental appointment, which is expected to cost €100, right? So when you look at that, a dental appointment costing €100 in March, right, goes under other planned expenditure. Right. In April, a savings account will mature worth €1,000. So that means that in April, savings account, right, will mature. So that means they have other income in April worth €1,000. And in May, the car is due for an annual service, which will cost approximately €200. So I'm looking here now at car costs in May, €200. Then we get on to the generic stuff, the stuff that happens every month or may happen every month. So rent is 1,200 per month. So that's an expenditure. 1,200, 1,200 and 1,200. Electricity costs €200 per 2 months. But remember, that means then that if it's €200 per 2 months, that means it's €100 a month. You divide by 2. So electricity is going to be €100 every month. Car costs are €85 per week. Now, car costs €85 per week. There's 4 weeks in a month, okay, in March, all right, roughly 4 in April, 4 in May. So 4 by 85, 4 eights are 32, 4 fives are 20, €340. But remember, you have a service here now as well. So on top of that, there's €340. That's probably car costs, probably just petrol, diesel, okay, bits and pieces like that. Groceries are €230 per week. Okay, remember 4 weeks. So 4 230s in March, all right, gives us 4 200s is 800, 4 30s is 120, 920 on groceries each month. Phone and TV combined are €50 per month, so it's given it to us per month, so we're okay, we can fill that straight in. And they have a loan which is €50 per month. All right. So in March, their total income is €4,000. In April, their total income is €5,000, and in May, their total income is €4,000. In March, their total expenditure, okay, look, I have it all in line, so I add the zeros, I get nothing, 0, 5 and 4 is 9, 9 and 4 is 14, 9 and 5 is 14, and 2 is 16, okay, so that's 0, 6, we carry the 1, 1 and 1 is 2, 2 and 3 is 5, 5 and 9 is 14, 14 and 1 is 15, 15 and 2 is 17, carry the 1, 1 and 1, €2,760 is the total expenditure. So that means taking 2,760 from 4,000, you're left with €1,240 in profit, okay, which can be used on stuff like buying clothes or anything like that. In April then we have €5,000 and our expenses are as follows. Okay, now here's where you can be kind of, I suppose, smart about things. The only difference in expenses in April and March is this extra €100 here for the dental appointment. So if this was 2,760, this is 2,660. Okay, but just watch out. Remember, we had €5,000 up here, so that means we have €2,340 spare. Right? Now, again, let's be smart about things. The only difference here and here is the extra €200 for the car service. So it's going to be up €200 from this. It's 2,860, which means, and at 4,000, I have €1,140 in profit. Okay, so breaking it down. Now, the activity that I've set you today is all about looking at wages and looking at whether we're paid monthly or weekly or fortnightly, which is every 2 weeks. So just remember, 12 months in a year, 52 weeks in a year, and then there's 26 fortnights in a year. Because if there's 52 weeks, every 2 weeks is a fortnight, so divide it by 2 and you get 26 fortnights. And looking at what you're paid, all right, in each period. So let's see how you get on. It's just looking at wages and working out wages. It has nothing to do with tax now here or anything like that. So let's look at that and see how we get on. Okay, thanks guys.